Orutindo rwa Kanyigoro mu Rubitenero Nyihanga Town Council n'urwita district ya Rwampara na Shema kandi urutuye rwo mu Mberambi obwo rukugumana rubandama embere jegemeseriza bebembezi kushara mu kurucinga
omuntu yafa injura yatandikire kwafinda that bridge it was straight like this. You see how it has bended like this. That means what? It's bad road. Awataka young ma bridge ekabege tikwe very flat like this. Nichimanyisa hati yatandikire kugwa. Tunashikole bushirikali tukana abantu bafere nkai
So we said tukagira ngo save lives tubeshinjira urugudoro abo kuba aba sinotrack bakabandi bakozesa kandi ruguma rwigira ha. So we thought ngo abantu baza kuruzinga lives kuga kutwatire is it a carver twatire carvati abantu bijekiro bajihaho kugira ngo bagume bakozesa kandi nitala amagara gabo aharisi
abebembeze mbajyangwe nshonga yo rutindeji batwire mbajigambo wo mukanso bitutine cyakoze urwe
if I can give you history ororti no rukutandika kusisikara tukaba tugendo seno track azarishisha Rwampara district twakora resolutions na Shema district yakora resolutions
zaguma
zajya ngo orortindo tusechuwaringe seno twakazereke kugera ki barabo abashema naho ngabo bazibinga bajya ngushema zitagagarika kugera ki ite Rwampara cyaguma kitoreme orortindo rwahika kusisikara ko now hata no wakagari turiyo ntukumuze barakorabo
kuko mwagamba mwajyango Rwampara mwija mu rufure kuruzinga urugutizo ejedakiye konka alternatives zemyanye ibaryumba tugambera abo kuba alternative yoro ruguto rukabiryo rwa kamera dairi uruguto rwa kamera mwagira ngo mwakuruzinga izuba we cannot use it for more than 2 days nduba rwakoze reki atinga gambira rutindo uruguto rwenyine tururu mu state iri passive
abamwe bashabire ko baba hamwe myeze 3 bita bebembezi bajyango bine kurukinga kurinda amagara y'abantu.
The moment I'm not supporting a China, it might cause more harm. What if somebody comes at midnight? Maybe let it be run over the radio and TV for like 3 months. Atkora ta China cha futi mukaga bamukumi na kuriya origestio na kujirani.
Twaragira engineer arupura district ya Rwampara kwatanse na bagenzi bahe bashema urebe ngo twakora barriers izikutangira abantu kosa bridge twaza akora alternative routes ko kuba bagambera
police tirwo mwanya ogu kuragira abante mahande ndijo
DPC police badete tuyisa bulungi oze twachogera deche chasino twakatina kusala any bridge Rwampara and Shema. Whenever you cross it to Shema there is a bridge. You have river Riz stand bordering Rwampara and Shema, so any connectivity it is a bridge. Tukashara mukare ne aba police mama temuwirira ne katigowurira
abaturamba jyango turwe rutindo rwonkor siskire bituno rwa cyanya mushusha na cyabahaya nazo ziryo mu Mberambi ndi Anita Tukunda.